wake up to today. So it's all clean. It's gonna stay for a few because we have a cold snap that's gonna last at least 10 days without going into positive, into above freezing. It means like -6 sometime at best. So, and -17, and the V like even lower. So the snow is gonna stay for a few. So it looks now this afternoon with the sun. It's always more pleasant with the sun. And it's slightly snowing again. Light snow, some light snow. I see some flurries. So it looks. It's the day after, and it's slightly snowing again. So it looks. Check the boxes. My footprints to go to the mailbox, and actually he left the mail outside in a plastic bag. Easier for him. There we go. So it looks. Realized I had set up the dryer and the outlet was buried into the snow, so I just dig out because I don't want a fire hazard of some kind. Now the hot air, humid air is like blowing out. That's good, we are good. Phew, forgot about that. For reference, it's just under that window. I was starting to dig here, but no. That second window, the window near the staircase that goes to the basement. Here we go. Just under you have these two outlets, so I dug out. So I don't know, one is the intake of air of some kind and the other is like the outlet. Go. That's how we put the trash on top of the snowbank. That looks to me. Usual winter trick to warm up the house. I'm using the oven to cook, making a pizza. Look at my beautiful dough. Beautiful pizza. This time I put half of a bag of eggplant that I froze. The other rest I would do some pasta with it because I have still the half of the tomato sauce, so I always do pasta after that. After pizza, mozzarella, some shredded cheese, and I put some prosciutto ham and some olives, and we're good. So I arrive at the brewery and look at the mound of snow. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. That's how it looks. Back. It is not flickering anymore. There's a lot of snow. Look at the snowbanks there. I'm finishing my shift early because there is no one. My last customer was at 8:40 and he stayed a long time. Because it's Paul, you know him, his sister, fortunately. So that's how it looks with the gigantic piles of snow. They're gonna stay for a while, those ones. Let's go. That's what we wake up to. So it has been minus 15, minus 10 overnight. Okay, that's me going to do some errands, the post office, return something at Old Navy because they left the magnetic tag, so they need to remove it. Look at the temperature, minus 12, and it's almost 10 a.m. That's how it looks. Here we go. How it looks in front of this big all-terrain vehicle. It's a big Toyota. Look at that. It's higher than a Toyota. Here. Here's my car. see. Look at that, I'm walking. The stuff is twice my height, or 3 times. Look at that. Here we go. Another view here. Look at that. That's gigantic. We have that until May. If it's not too warm, will they stay like? Look at that. Look at that. And now it's Stop and Shop. Look at the pipes. As you can see. Look at the pipe. Stop and Shop done. Freezing. Let's go put away that card and go. And it's brisk, super cold. I would need a second hat actually, if I were to stay a long time outside, like for a hike. Look at the snow pile behind my car. Look at the snow pile. Oh my god. Go home. Still -10 and it's like 11:30, so, and it's not the feel like minus 15 or 18. Emptying my shopping, my grocery shopping, so that's all my trunk. And I'm just there with a staircase from there to avoid most of the ice. I'm back from my errands and my grocery shopping, and that's how it looks. So now it's frozen solid inside. Here we have the cars. And here that's how it looks. There we go. It looks, and already still has a flat tire, as you can see the Brewmaster. It's a snow pile. Okay, going. There we go. End of my shift. It's barely 11, not even. All these snow piles. Try to be careful with some ice. Going home to feed the cats. They must be hungry now. They have no dry food though, as a backup plan. let's go. Interesting because it's 9 o'clock and it's still minus 13 and the feel like is way lower, and Alexa tells me that it's even colder than that. My captor, my sensor is under the stairs. My sensor is under the stairs, so I don't know if it's protected too much. This kind of temperature is going to be interesting to change a cat litter. So this one I can sift through because it's not too bad. But the other one I will throw out directly and change with fresh pellets. So I'm going to bundle up and let's go. Bad actually. I could go rapidly and I had to break the trail because there is a crust now on top of the snow because I guess of the sleet. It was powdery until recently, but now it's like a crust. Even though it's super cold, it's not solid ice. We can go through, so that's good. And I ended up sifting through, so I could salvage a lot actually. So let's do this one. This one is less dirty, so let's do this.